At the aviation show thing, majigger.
Hey everybody!
Welcome to Feathered Friends in Flight. My name is Corey.
I'm Ray.
This is Houston, our southern ground hornbill. Birds like this have been inspiring people here for over 20 years, giving everyone up-close encounters.
Like that.
Exactly like that, for about 20 years.
Yeah, this is our favorite part of every day when we get to come out here and share these amazing birds with all of you. Do you want another up-close look? Because here it comes.
we don't wait for an answer on that, yeah. But Houston, southern ground hornbill, they live in the grasslands of Africa. They walk around using this big beak to pick up whatever they can in the grass to make a nice meal out of.
Yeah, they'll eat just about anything, including venomous snakes. So picture this, Houston finds one slithering through the grass. She'll just pick it up, shake it around, slurp it back like spaghetti. It's horrifying, yeah. And there she goes, top speed.
Anyway, you know what? All birds have their own adaptations that make them special, make them very important. Even in the same family, they can be quite different. In fact, we have another hornbill named Harvey, flying right over there. They are another type of hornbill. They call it a trumpeter hornbill. They live in the forests of Africa, so smaller, faster, more maneuverable, so they're diving in and around tree limbs all day long.
Yeah, we actually have a cool way to show off just how agile a flyer Harvey is, but we're going to need your help. I need 2 volunteers from the same party that want to pretend to be trees. I think you just got voluntold, sir. So you two right up front, go ahead and stand up in place. You're going to work together to create a hoop with your arms. So stay right where you are. You don't have to move. You're just going to make a nice hoop. Looks good.
All right, so Harvey, are you ready? Let's show off some of that maneuverability. I'm not talking...
The macaws are multiplying.
Yes. Coming from all over the place. All right, are you ready to show this off? Calculate that flight. There we go! Excellent job, thank you so much. Yeah, only 3 people had to dive out of the way. It was wonderful. Yeah, we don't show some of that maneuverability, which is so important, not only to dive around the tree limbs, but also to chase some of their favorite food. Flying insects, they'll catch them right out of the air.
Oh yeah, it's seriously impressive. In fact, I kind of want to show that off.
You have flying insects to do that with?
No, that would be weird. But I do have something that might work just as well. I've been doing a lot of online shopping, and I bought this! Who knows what it is? Shout it out. Rocket launcher! Yeah, you got it! I already lost all the rockets that came with it, though, so I've just been putting fruit in here. There's a grape in here right now. That's Harvey's favorite snack, so I thought we could launch that grape into the sky! Yeah?
And the flying insect was the weird part?
Yes.
Anyway,
Okay, I need 1 volunteer rocketeer to help me out. How about you in the gray t-shirt? Come on down. Let's give a round of applause for our rocketeer. Hi there. What's your name? Baden? Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna count down from 3. When you get to 1, you're gonna stomp as hard as you can on that yellow launch pad. Can you do that? Okay, cool. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, Harvey?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, let's count it down together. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Yeah!
High five. That was so cool. You can join your family now.
That worked incredibly well, I gotta admit.
I was afraid it was going to get stuck in the rafters.
Yeah, it was pretty close there. Harvey, that was an excellent catch. Thank you so much. I've got a couple more treats for you. Grab that if you want. And then you remember where you're headed? Yeah, it's the window right there. Same one you came out of. It's a left. That left. Keep going.
1 hop. 2 hops this time.
Harvey, our trumpeter hornbill. Just wants to take his time. Anyway, you know what? Those hornbills are pretty smart, but to get to the top of the intelligence scale for birds, you have to look at the crows and the ravens. They're some of the smartest birds out there, like truly our African pied crow here.
Yeah, Truly is probably one of the smartest birds that we work with, and we have a really cool way to show off just how intelligent she is. Whoa, big flyer bird.
It has nothing to do with the macaws.
No, they don't even work here.
No.
Weird, right? But we do have a cool way to show off just how smart Truly is. We'll need your help, though. I need another volunteer, this time an adult with a $1 bill. And she says, what? Hands go down quick when you ask for money. Sir, in the jersey, you have money left? You! Yes, you! Yeah, okay, you can stay right where you are. You don't have to leave. Stay right where you are. Stay right where you are. But you have money? Yeah, okay, so get that dollar bill ready to go. Do you have money? Oh, he's looking.
Do you have a dollar bill?
Dollar bill? No.
No, okay.
Okay, we do need a volunteer with a dollar bill. That's important. You do? Okay, go ahead and get that out and ready to go. And if you're digging 5s and 10s, they work just as good. Don't worry.
Oh, there we
wow,
go. Thank you for helping out. That's
maker.
perfect.
Love that. Okay, put it out to your side. Truly. Do you remember what we do when we see money? We fly out. We take your money.
Oh,
we
he dropped it.
on the ground.
He dropped
He
it.
said, counterfeit. Nah, I'm just messing around. He just dropped it. Do you want to pick it back up? Go ahead and pick it up. There you go. Put it to your side like a nice strong perch. Here you go. He takes your money. This is the best part. Where's it go? Pocket! Great job, truly. Sir, thank you. Have a magical day.
Only took about 5 people to find a dollar, though.
Yeah, we love that. Okay, I think we need more practice, though, right?
Okay.
Who wants to try over here for a 20? Lots of kiddos offering 20s. Hundreds. Okay, we draw the line at hundreds. Sir, you get your dollar back. So, you can go ahead and stand back up. Huh? Go ahead and stand back up. Put your arm out the way you had it. Okay, truly, we're not done yet.
We got one more thing to do. You can...
We got one more thing to do.
Right.
Truly.
Remember this word. There you go.
Do you remember where this goes? Okay, you can wrap your fingers around the dollar. Perfect. Truly the micro.
That was excellent. You don't see that every day.
What?
Money back at a theme park.
You're not wrong.
Anyway, I think you're gonna like our next bird as well. Do you want to see a hawk fly? Dude, you like this. This hawk's gonna be flying throughout the theater. It's a really good time, yeah, to get your cameras ready. It likes to fly nice and low over everyone's head. It's absolutely amazing. Why are the chickens up?
I don't know. I thought you did that.
No, I didn't do that.
Is the hawk coming?
Yeah, like any...
Because chickens and hawks are like not friends. The circle of life, we don't want to show you what that actually looks like.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get these girls home safe and I'll be right back, okay?
Yeah,
Ladies!
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and meet Mason. He's a Harris Hawk. From that window right there, we get a nice long flight out to the back. Perfect. Now Harris Hawks, they're found in the desert southwest United States. Places like Texas, Arizona, New Mexico. Wonderful place to find a bird. Just like this one, yeah. Now Harris Hawks, they are unique. They're one of the few birds of prey that will hunt in family groups. 2 or 3 of these birds, they'll team up together, hunt prey they normally couldn't on their own. That can be something up to the size of a jackrabbit. Nice close look. Yeah, that's very important because of those desert regions. There's not a lot of food out there, but a couple of these birds will sit up high on the cliff face, on a cactus, wait for another one of these Harris Hawks to run in and scare out whatever might be there so they can all get a nice big meal. Yeah, you are doing a fantastic job. All right, Katie's moved to that corner. Give that side a nice close look. Beautiful. All right, we are going to do one more flight right through here. If you haven't noticed, if you duck, he just flies lower. Yeah, we'll see what he wants to do. There we are. Mason, fantastic job, my friend. Thank you so much. Yeah, that was a nice tail wagging by. Very important. You remember where you're going? The macaws aren't going to bother you. You just can keep going. Mason, our Harris Hawk. There we go.
Okay, Corey, everyone, woo, don't worry. The chickens are home safe. I give them a little food. They're in the coop, and now the hawk can fly. Did I miss the whole hawk?
You almost saw the tail end. That's what that deserves.
Cool. Well, when I was backstage, I was talking to Shay, and we came up with a fun idea.
Oh.
So, I've been training one of our ravens. His name is Lexus on the new behavior, and people are always asking, how do you train these birds anyway? Why don't they just fly off to Epcot or Hollywood Studios?
Only
So,
occasionally.
only sometimes.
Or
like this bird
onto
here.
the stage that you're not supposed to be there.
Yeah, he's part of the show, Winged Encounter.
Do you want to? Can you fly somewhere else? Because you know what? There's Certain birds we don't want you to say hi to. Yeah, that's gonna be a little bit
Okay.
of a thing.
But I was saying,
hey, right up here.
training
How about this?
Lexus on a new behavior. Hi, buddy.
I like Lexus. Lexus is a good idea. Lexus is a raven smart bird, but also these two would not get along with one another. So definitely a good idea to
This
get them
one's
out of
name
the
is
way.
Reed. He's a scarlet macaque. We
Yeah.
actually used to work together at the sister show, so.
Yeah, we did
That's
too.
why he stepped out.
Remember then? That was like 7 years ago. He doesn't remember.
Yeah.
Anyway, what?
Okay.
So, training session with Alexis?
Training session. I thought we could bring Lexus out here, do an in-show training session, and they get to see how we train these birds. What do you think?
All right. I think that's good.
Y'all
As
wanna
long
do
as
that?
you stay quiet, we can
Okay, cool,
do
cool,
that.
cool,
So,
cool.
as I was saying, Lexus is a raven, so very, very smart bird who's found treats behind that radio a lot. So she likes to check there every time she comes out here. But here's the thing. Doesn't matter how smart they are. We train them the same way. Positive reinforcement, really important. These birds can fly wherever they go wherever they want. When they do something we like. Is that my shoelace? Did you just give him a treat for untying my shoe?
Technically I gave him.
Okay, why don't you keep Lexus over there? Because here's the thing. When they get those treats, there's a really good chance whatever behavior they just did, they're going to try it again, see if they can get more of those treats.
Lexus, no, don't do that.
Ray, come on!
She learned how to tie shoes. Isn't it funny?
Well, I mean, look, it's good training, learned very quickly, but I don't think that, no,
Sneaking up
this
on you.
is not
She's
this is
gonna
why
get
we
your
need not do
shoelace.
this.
She's gonna get your shoe. What's that? What was that? Excuse me, what is it? I think I did really well. Okay, Corey, what was it? Joe's our sound tech. Hey, buddy. Everyone say hi, Joe. What do I do? Oh, there's a backup. Okay, someone backstage over. Can someone bring the mic out to Corey? No, I need you to stay out here. It's a two-person show. No, Corey, please don't leave. Hey, everybody. Was the shoe thing at least kind of funny? I'll take it. Cool. Whatever. I'm hoping that since you thought it was funny, maybe Corey thinks it's funny. Because that guy's my boss. Whoops. Do y'all want to switch gears, though? I was thinking, he's going to come out a little later, but would you want to meet like a really cool talking parrot? That'd be awesome, right? Okay, 1 second. Hey friends! Lucy, hi! Do you think Okay, well, this is more important. Could you maybe bring out Groucho? Right immediately. Okay, thank you. So, Groucho is an amazing little Amazon parrot, and he's really good at a behavior called mimicry. Has anyone ever heard of mimicry before? Yeah? Okay, well, if you haven't, it's the ability of an animal to copy sounds from the world around them. And I really can't think of a better example than Groucho. He is so talented. In the wild, these birds would live in Central and South America and copy their flock mates. Some of them even have regional dialects, which is pretty awesome. But Groucho over here grew up in a home, so he learned to copy a lot of human sounds. Yeah, give it up for Groucho. And the really tall one, that's Lucy. She's a human. We like Lucy. She's cool. Okay, Groucho, buddy, I was just telling all of our friends all about you. Do you want to say hello? Hello. Pretty cute, right? Yeah, okay. If you like that, you're in for a treat because he actually knows a few songs. What do you think, buddy? Let's sing. Oh yeah, great job, Groucho! Yeah, okay, now I'm gonna let you in on a secret too. Groucho doesn't just know the one song, he doesn't even only know 2 songs. This bird knows 7 different songs from beginning to end. Wow. So, what do you think? You wanna hear one more? Yeah. Okay, buddy. They really wanna hear one? You sing Camptown Races, you can sing any other song. Yeah, or we could keep giving kisses. That was very nice too, you're right. You wanna sing? Okay, Groucho here, pretty awesome, right? Yeah. Okay, thank you. I just want to make sure that you all know that Groucho there is special. I don't want you to think you could run off to your nearest pet store and get a Groucho and he's going to come with all the songs, because that's just not how it works. And you're back.
I am back.
And it works.
Microphone works, we're good.
We love that. Okay, cool. Groucho came out.
I heard, that was a good idea.
Cool, I was just about to explain to everyone that he would be really challenging if he lived in your house.
Absolutely. You know what? You don't hear that that mimicry too often. Mostly what you hear is these parrots screaming because it's how they normally communicate. They also bite really hard and they're a huge commitment. Can't forget a bird like Groucho could live to be 50 years, maybe longer than that.
Yeah, imagine Camptown Races on repeat at 5 a.m. for 50 years.
Yep.
Why? I mixed up this entire show. I have no idea what's
Yeah, you know what? That's perfectly fine. We figured some stuff out. That was a great idea having Groucho out here. He's actually one of the smallest birds that lived here. So what I was thinking was, how about something a tad bit bigger?
Like who?
Vlad.
Okay, he's a little bit bigger.
He's a bit bigger than you. But this is Vlad. He's a marabou stork. Definitely one of the largest flying birds out there. That's wingspan's about 11 feet across. They live in the African savannas.
Heads up over there. He's huge, and he also plays a really important role out in the wild because these birds eat carrion, which is dead stuff. Sounds kind of gross. Whoa, heads up there. But what an answer.
We even call them nature's recyclers because they're so important at cleaning all that stuff up. You are doing a very good job. All right, last treat for me. One more down here. So good, and I love the high step and walk as he makes his way. Yeah, you know right where you're going. In slow motion. Vlad, our marabou stork.
That was awesome. Good. Yeah, we had no clue what was in store for us.
That makes me a
They
savage
like
man.
that. Yeah. Okay, I'll take it.
Anyway, you know what? All birds have a very important role, like this one right here. Keeps down insect populations. This is our crowned crane. Everyone, I'd like you to meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
You got
See,
mine.
I can make it worse.
Yeah.
Why don't you just call this bird down and I'm just gonna get out of the way.
Well, haven't you been working with it backstage? Why don't you give it a try?
Out here? No. We just started backstage. We're not ready for that. You just go ahead.
How do you know you're not ready if you don't give it a try?
Because I don't think we're there yet.
I don't know. I've just got a good feeling. And this audience has been so great. I think we should do something special. Do y'all want to see Corey feed the crane?
Yeah. Okay, we'll give it a shot.
You've got treats, right?
We do have treats.
Okay.
No birds.
So Corey has some of Fraser's favorite snacks. That's one of the first ways we can begin to build relationships with each of the birds we work with.
Here,
Here, buddy.
see, just go ahead. I know.
Wait, could you try one more time? I have an idea.
Okay.
Okay, so I got the stomp rocket, and it actually worked really well. At the same time, I got something for you. It's a training tool to help with Fraser behind that rock right there. So Fraser's a crown crane. They get their name from the crown of golden feathers on their head. So I thought all Corey needs to build his relationship is his own crown of golden feathers.
Yeah?
Yeah. See? We have our crowned crane, and now we have our crowned Corey.
Okay then.
Okay, it's gonna work. Are you ready?
I'm as ready as I'm gonna be.
Perfect. Okay, you've got your snacks. Here he comes.
I can't believe that worked.
Uh-huh.
Wait. Do you really think it was the hat?
Oh, absolutely not. No, that was for all of us.
So the treats, the training.
Yeah, the relationship building, it's all paid off.
You did great. Fraser Crane, everyone.
And Justin Timberlake from 2003, everyone. They like it. Okay, I know that was silly, right? But it does just go to show how far we'll go to build the relationships we have with each of the animals that we work with. And I think each and every one of us here today can take a closer look at the relationships we share with our natural world.
Absolutely, because we can do so much good out there. In fact, our next bird is a great example of the positive effect we can have on the environment. It's the symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Everyone, this is Hope. Now, Hope, she was born out in the wild. Due to an injury, she couldn't be re-released, but that's why she lives with us and tells an amazing story. See, it wasn't long ago, bald eagles' numbers began to drop. It dropped so low, it was feared future generations would never get a chance to see these majestic birds out in the wild. That's when something incredible happened. People took notice. They took action, cleaned up the waterways where the bald eagles fish, stopped using a chemical pesticide DDT, major cause of this and many other birds' decline.
Yeah, and I think the coolest part about that story is it was people, just like all of us here today, who worked together to bring this bird back from the brink of extinction.
And everyone's efforts paid off. Bald eagles' numbers rose. They rose so high they were taken off the endangered species list. Hope here is an amazing example of the power we all have to help protect wildlife all over the world.
Yeah, absolutely, because there's still so many animals out there who desperately need our help. Just like that one over there, his name is Flint. He is a little lighter now, and he is a blue-throated macaw.
Blue-throated macaw is the rarest species of macaw found out in the wild. They're only found in Bolivia. There's less than 300 individuals still out there.
Yeah, 300 is a scary low number, but it's not all bad news. We've teamed up with an organization called the World Parrot Trust, and together we're working to release blue-throated macaws just like Flint into wild places to meet up with the wild population so we can see skies filled with blue-throated macaws.
How about that? That would be an incredible sight to see, but it doesn't end there. See, there's so many other birds you can go out and learn about, like our Togo toucan back here. This is Sam flying in.